Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a thou symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the thou symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer, just going to show in this video. It's simple actually. You just need to first of all just change this to the insert option and don't go inside the symbol option. So instead of that, just click on the equation option. Now you can find a lot of font on the symbols on the top here. So it's actually for the equation. Just click on this arrow section, and here the thou symbol, if you just place the cursor on the top, it shows it's a thou. So this is one of the way that you can just insert the thou symbol. Just go inside the insert and just click on the equation, and here the thou symbol. So this is another way that you can just insert thou symbol on your WPS spreadsheet. Otherwise, you just use your symbol option. And I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.